equation is an expression in which symbols and formulas are used to represent a chemical reaction. Since chemical reactions are an important part of chemistry, it is useful to have a simple way to express chemical reactions. It may be useful to contextualize chemical equations as recipes. Recipes include the starting material or ingredients and their amounts, with a certain finished or final product and its amount. However, in a chemical equation, the amounts of chemicals are not expressed in mass or volume, but rather number of molecules or formula units. Also, in a chemical equation, the starting ingredients and final product are always written as chemical formulas. On this slide is an example of a balanced chemical equation. 2 capital N lowercase a capital H capital C capital O subscript 3, or 2 formula units of sodium bicarbonate. Arrow or forms capital N lowercase a subscript 2 capital C capital O subscript 3, or 1 formula unit of sodium carbonate, plus capital H subscript 2 capital O, or 1 molecule of water, plus capital C capital O subscript 2, or 1 molecule of carbon dioxide. Chemical equations always include an arrow which divides the chemicals between what we start with, or the reactants, and what is formed, or the products. The starting ingredients are always referred to as the reactants, and what is formed are always referred to as the products. Reactants are always on the left-hand side of the arrow, and products are always on the right-hand side of the arrow. Sometimes necessary conditions, such as a catalyst or heat, are written above the arrow. The number 2 in front of the chemical formula of sodium bicarbonate is known as a coefficient. The other chemicals in this equation have a coefficient of 1. A coefficient of 1, like a subscript of 1 in a chemical formula, is not written expressly.